Say goodbye to bland editing. These 5 new plugins will spice up your videos. Video description. Are you tired of creating videos that just blend in with the crowd? Do you want to take your editing to the next level but don't know where to start? In this video, we introduce you to 5 new plugins that will revolutionize your editing process. From dynamic transitions to unique filters, these plugins will help you create stunning videos that catch the eye. Say goodbye to bland editing and discover how these plugins can help you spice up your videos. Keywords: video editing, video plugins, dynamic transitions, filters, unique effects. If you're tired of creating videos that just blend in with the crowd, then this video is for you. In today's day and age, standing out on social media platforms with your video content is essential for success. And to achieve that, you need to add some spice to your videos. Fortunately, we've got just the solution for you. In this video, we'll be introducing you to 5 new plugins that will revolutionize your video editing process. These plugins will help you create stunning videos that catch the eye and ensure your content stands out from the crowd. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Dynamic transitions. Tired of using the same old crossfade transition? Dynamic transitions are here to save the day. These plugins add a touch of creativity and energy to your videos, and they're perfect for grabbing attention. Experiment with transitions such as pushing, spinning, and zooming to make your videos more engaging. Color grading. Color grading can transform your video from plain to eye-catching. Look for plugins that offer unique filters and color palettes for you to work with. These can help you enhance the tone of your video, make it look more cinematic, and add a professional touch. Experiment with warm or cool tones, or get creative and try out something completely different. Title animation. We all know the importance of a good title sequence. With the right plugin, you can take your title animation to the next level. Look for plugins that offer unique font styles, animations, and textures to make your titles stand out. This will help grab your viewers' attention from the very beginning of your video. Audio effects. Sound is just as important as video when it comes to creating engaging content. Look for plugins that offer unique audio effects, such as soundscapes or ambient noise. This can help set the mood and create a more immersive experience for your viewers. Don't overlook the importance of sound in video creation. Motion graphics. Motion graphics are a fantastic way to add interest to your videos. By incorporating text, shapes, and other graphic elements, you can create a visually stunning effect. Look for plugins that offer customizable templates that make it easy to create engaging motion graphics, even if you don't have design experience. With the 5 plugins we've introduced you to today, you'll be able to take your video editing to the next level. Say goodbye to bland editing and hello to an entirely new level of creativity. Experiment with these plugins, have fun, and see how they can help you make your video content stand out from the crowd. Thanks for watching. Say goodbye to bland editing. These 5 new plugins will spice up your videos. You no longer have to settle for mediocre video content. With these 5 new editing plugins, you can add creative transitions, dynamic color grading, stunning title animation, exciting audio effects, and engaging motion graphics, taking your video editing to the next level. Don't miss out. Try these plugins now and watch your video content stand out from the crowd.